tough time identifying significant support and resistance levels in Forex? Well, in this video, we're going to be distinguishing the difference between a weak and a strong zone so that you're only trading off the significant ones. So to start off, it's smart to start on the higher time frames to identify those significant horizontal levels rather than starting off on the 5 or 15-minute time frame. So we're starting off on the daily time frame, and we can see we already have two significant strong zones and one weak zone. But what's the difference between this weak and strong zone? We can see the strong zones have clear intent with direction. Every single time that we've come to one of these strong zones, we either have an impulse towards the downside or towards the upside. We can see with this weak zone that we sort of sway through it and we consolidate, and we don't have clear intent with direction every single time that we come to this zone. So the number one thing that you want to see with a strong zone is the clear intent with direction. You want to see every single time that we come to this zone, we either have a clear impulse towards the downside or we break through it and then test it as the opposite structure. Hopefully this gives you a better idea of how you should be marking up your support and resistance levels. And just remember, the higher the time frame, the more significant that zone is.